Hello, brothers and sisters. I want again to welcome all of you to this very important lesson. Remember, we have already discussed about 6 different specialized interpreting situations, and in this one, we are going to focus on the last one, of course, the deaf-blind interpreting situation. So we say that deaf-blind is a term, of course, that is used to describe a group with varying degrees of deafness and blindness. So some deafness or some deaf-blind people have a substantial amount of vision, of course, while others have little or no useful vision. The same is true about for hearing. Remember, some deaf-blind people are hard of hearing, while others are moderately or profoundly deaf. So the diversity, the difference, of course, in levels of vision and hearing contribute to the type of interpreting situation we are talking about. So examples of deaf-blind interpreting include, of course, the sign language at a close range or a limited space, of course, visual space. Sign language and finger spelling received by the sense of touch with 1 or 2 hands, that's tactile, of course, and close range sign supported speech. So remember, in this type of interpreting situation involves, of course, the use of tactile sign language because we have persons or children or maybe adults who are deaf-blind, and some of them may be at a moderate or profound situations. So for you to be able to carry out interpretation in such situations, we require the tactile sign language, where of course you use sign language but with touch. You can touch by both or single hand. This type of interpreting situation requires passion to be able to carry out interpretation appropriately. So brothers and sisters, so this is the last type of interpreting situation that we had planned to discuss. So make sure you go through all of them and you understand every situation so that you are able to carry out your tasks as interpreters in the very best way and appropriate and acceptable way by, of course, the audience who are, for this case, the deaf community. See you in the next lesson.